anybody that may be watching this that does not know me, I'll give you a quick rundown of a history, if you will, about myself. I've been into drifting for a long time. I've been around drifting for even longer. I actually don't drift anything. Go figure. But I do maintain my wife and help my brother maintain his HR 350Z. And what I primarily try, I'm going to put a strong try on that. I try to do media work for a local drift organization called No Drift, New Orleans Drifters. And that's about where I stand. So, off of that, what I'm really here for, and even making this video about, is we're actually going to a drift event. Now, right now in America, we have, well, not America, the world, there is a crisis, a pandemic, if you will. We're going drifting at a local venue called Nola Motorsports Park. And I've been fortunate enough to see what they've already had set up. So I've been over there and seen how they were going to do it, like processes and steps they've been going through to ensure that they can still provide a drift event or just a venue that people can come and practice social distancing, you know, the 6 feet apart, man. You don't have to be shaking everybody's hands, and we can still go out there and have a good time. So it should be 3 days of pretty much no drivers, like zero. There's a lot of people that just don't want to come. They're worried about lockdowns, so on and so forth. I'm sure some point this weekend we'll have some sort of issues that we have to work through, but I mean, the track has just done a phenomenal job at spreading everything out. And you know what? Instead of talking about it and driving with me there, make sure I don't get hit. Instead of talking about it and driving, what I'll do is we'll just jump over to there. So let's just cut it to the track. All right, so we're back at the track. Back because I was here already. So, like I said earlier, I wanted to show you guys. We got some guys over here pitted, and I'll just flip you around and show you what's going on and how they have us separated. And sorry, bright shining object, I'm distracted. Okay, so back to it. So look. So if you look here, right there, that's a pit. This is your 6 foot measured out gap. I'm pretty sure they probably measured it. Then you have another pit. Here's another gap, pit, gap, pit. That's actually my brother's car. We're then pitted over here. My wife is not here yet. Then you have like Kim Tran pitted over here. Then you have these guys. The trailer is actually separating their pit. So you'll see that I walk down there, but it's really breezy and the wind's probably going crazy on the mic right now, but they're all 6 feet apart. That is the skid pad. This is one surface area. Sorry if it's really windy. There is another surface area. We'll flash over to that in a second over there. And then over here, there's a completely another surface area. So the recommended CDC thing is 10 people per gathering. Those are just like cars that they own. And I mean, you can literally see, guys, so right next to this white trailer, there's like a gray car like right there. that's another guy pitted. So we have what, 1, 2, 3, my wife included, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. 7 people so far. Look, there's 8 right there. So they were only allowing 2 people. So you had a driver and you had a +1, essentially, like your pit crew that could sign up with you. And 20 people, you split that between the 2 areas, because they have 2 drift courses running, the kart track and the skid pad. So dude, we're not even meeting the thing. You know, we're well under the recommended gathering limit, and as I just showed you, we are far, far apart from each other. All right, so here's a better view of the kart track behind me, and then behind me over here is North Track. Excuse me, sun's in the way. I'm standing on top of the kart track cafe so that the wind isn't as bad in the mic as it was earlier. Like I was saying earlier, let me flip you guys around. This is one of the surfaces. There is drifting going on that surface over there, and then racing going on over there. Now you see how big and just a monster that this park is, and you can see how little of people who are actually here. These guys just work here, so they're just doing their job. They're not technically part of the event. You can see, I don't know if you can or not, zoom, see over there has gathered literally nobody. My brother's truck, and that's it. And this is the cafe. But that's the monster kart track. We're running, you enter in there. As you can see, once again, down pit row. That's just Devo's car down there. I think 2 other cars. Those are the same people that were here this morning. The wind's getting bad again. So, other than that, let's just get to some drifting and show you guys exactly what we're doing instead of just explaining why we're doing it. I think it's coming up. Felt good.
It's not going coco.
Oh yeah, like EYB?
Yeah.
No, but I mean it wasn't doing that for testing tune either, right? No, yeah. Yeah, that was for sure the rear bushings. Faking. No.
Can I just do donuts right now?
No.
Why not?
And you have to go fairly fast. If not, keep it in second. But it's third, second, third, second. Or you can do all 30 and a bunch of clutch kicks.
I won't do that. I'll probably keep it in second and enter nice, safe, you know, keep it off the wall.
So what I do is third, go through the S's in third. Then once I hit on the random side, I drop in into second and just cruise through. Yeah, that's what I do.
Cool. Is that what you do?
That's what I do.
Drop a clip right here of Debo doing what he does.
How much you want to torque them to?
Oh, tight.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll see. Here, I'll let you do that.
Oh, okay.
I'll
I
be
see.
safe.
Yeah.
All right, we'll do 20 pounds cold.
Cool.
It'll probably get up to like 25, 28, something like that.
All right, cool.
We'll do a nice little hot lap first and stuff, just to break it down.
Ooh!
She's trying.
She tried.
You just saw the one to the curve. But that was pretty good though. Good save.
Yeah, she's trying to sauce it up. Every time. So we're looking at the footage and we're realizing now that we had no idea how to even go about this. Mel here, she was barely even in it.
I was driving in it.
She was driving.
Yep.
It's a good excuse, I guess. But this will be a little extra, I guess. And if you liked it, guys, give us a like. It helps out the channel. If you want to watch us grow, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I guess that's about the best we can do for now. What do you think?
Work on it.
Work on it?
Yeah.
Are you going to work on it?
I'm gonna try.
You going to try?
I think so. Maybe. if I can not be a pansy.
So this video is probably going to be late, but you know, better late than never, I guess. And the next one, I think we'll probably be working on your car. And then after that, whatever event Nola comes up with.
Oh, y'all are about to be finding out why we're working on my car this coming weekend. Y'all are going to see that.
There you go. So, once again, guys, thanks for watching, and see you next time.